Hello everyone, welcome back to Manita's cooking classes once again. Today I have brought you the recipe of Lauki Kofte. So let's get started. Here I have took a kadai. I am adding 2 tablespoons of oil in it. Now I am adding 1 cup of roughly chopped onions and 2 cups of roughly chopped tomatoes, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds or you can say saunf, 16 almonds, 2 green cardamom, 1 inch cinnamon stick or dalchini, 4 cloves long, 2 bay leaf or tej pata which I have broken, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now we will mix them all. Now I am adding 2 cups of water in it. Now we will cook it for 15 to 20 minutes with lid closed. So after 15 to 20 minutes you can see the vegetables have cooked and the tomatoes also have become soft. Now we will cook them for some more minutes with lid open on high flame. And the next step is after it is cooked, we have to make a puree of it after cooling it for some time. Now here I took a Lauki or you can say bottle gourd. I am cutting it now. We will use this half cut portion. Now first we will peel it. Now as you can see I have peeled it. Now I am removing the top portion. And it's done. Now we will grate it. Remember we have to grate its sides only and the inside white part we have to discard. Now this we will discard. Now here I took a bowl on high flame with water and in that water I have added 1 teaspoon of salt. In that we have put our grated Lauki. Now we will give it a quick boil on high flame. Now as you can see the boil has come. Now we will turn off the flame and let it cool for 10 minutes. So after it was cooled, I am now sieving it. Now we will gently press it with our hands to drain off the excess water. Now as you can see I have taken a plate and now I am taking small portions of grated Lauki in my hand and squeezing it nicely to drain all the water that is present in it. Now here we have the Lauki. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin seeds. Now mix it well. Now we will add 1/4 cup of roasted gram flour or besan and make a soft smooth dough. So our dough is ready. Now we will take small balls out of this dough and make a ball, or you can flat them also. And it's done. We have to make all the balls out of this dough. So our balls are ready. Now we will fry them. So here I took a pan with some oil in it. After the oil was heated, I have added 1 teaspoon of salt. Now we will add the Lauki balls which we have prepared. Now we will fry them on medium low flame to give them a real nice brown color. Now as you can see how much nice color they have got. So they are ready. Now we will just remove them into another plate. Now here I took a pan. I have added 1 teaspoon of oil in which we have fried Lauki balls. Now I am adding 1 green chilli finely chopped. Let it fry. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds which I have crushed. And 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of Garam Masala. Mix them nicely. Now the tomatoes, onions and all that masalas that we have roasted and cooked. Now I have just made a puree, nice of them, and I am sieving it to give it a nice creamy texture. Now we will cook it on medium flame. Now I am adding 1 teaspoon of salt in it. Now we will add the fried Lauki balls in it and cook them for 5 to 10 minutes. Now we will add some green coriander leaves. And our Lauki Kofta is ready to serve. So here I served them. You can see how much nice they look. The curry is too much creamy and the balls are so much soft. Friends, this is a must try recipe. So if you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon of Manita's cooking classes. Thank you.